In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the Shopify password to unlock your store. This is especially useful if your store is password protected and you want to view or change the password for visitors. Let's get started. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're on the home page, look toward the left sidebar and click on Online Store. Inside the Online Store section, click on Preferences. This page contains several settings related to your storefront, including password protection. Now scroll down until you find the Password Protection section. If your store is currently locked or under construction, this feature will already be enabled. In this section, you'll see the password field that visitors use to access your store. From here, you can either view the current password or replace it with a new one. If you want to update the password, simply delete the old one and type in a new secure password that's easy for you to remember but difficult for others to guess. You can also edit the message shown to visitors on the password page if you want to customize the experience for customers trying to access your store. After making your changes, click Save to apply everything. And that's it! You've successfully found and updated your Shopify store password. Thanks for watching and happy selling!